Hi everyone, my name is Bruce Swartz. I'm from Montreal, Quebec, Canada. What are these four beautiful objects by the Terminator line just off of Mare Serenitatis? Now you see how there's four objects there that we've never seen before? The Terminator line shows us objects that we don't see unless we're by that Terminator line, which is that dark line going over as the phase progresses. That's what I'm talking about. Now, can you see any other areas close by that could have more structures, three or four structures that are in line, in unison? Because of the Terminator line, look over here, we can see four other structures. And this was yesterday's P900 footage that I wanted to share with you. A lot of new coming up, ladies and gentlemen. A big surprise that I'm going to talk about at the end of the video. And a big surprise. Yes, a major big surprise. I'm holding back, guys, on the excitement. And the community, you guys, thanks for the support. You guys gave out to me. You guys gave out and generously to this project and research. And I'm going to give back. I'm going to talk to you at the end of this video about a certain bank loan today. So when I started this out, I had a laptop, a very small laptop. So often, my programs would crash. I wasn't able to get anything as photos or space in it. I had to buy 3 or 4 2 terabytes of and 1 5 terabyte black boxes to be able to store my photos and videos because there's just so much accumulation as what I'm doing editing through these photos. I'm accumulating a lot of snapshots and, I need a lot of place to store them. So I went through 2 other cameras, the P900, the D3400 that I upgraded. Then I got the iMac Pro. Ouch, that was $10,000. That one hurt. With the tax, it was almost $12,000. There's many different forces that you can have the iMac Pro. You can upgrade it several times, and that's what I like about this because instead of buying a new computer, I can actually upgrade this iMac Pro to the monster it can be. I bought about $400 worth of wires, HDMI cables, SD cards of the highest quality. One card of 64 gigs is actually not far from $200. Some of them, it depends on the quality. Always the highest quality. And it's working. We're going to get a lot of a better image. This is the Apennine Mountains, by the way. Beautiful surface objects, guys, by the Apennine Mountains. And the Terminator line is showing us a green surface. Beautiful. This is exquisite. And the new surprise coming is going to show us this in double the quality and double close. Going to be able to share a major big surprise of an upgrade with the community. I can't wait to share this with you. So with that said, you guys contributed. So now I contributed. My entire setup's worth not far from $35,000 if you think of all the cameras and everything, and I'm not just making this up. And these are all recent objects. They're just so expensive. Everything is so expensive. But everything I got is going to be good for a little while. It's all upgradable. And I'm going to get some music up and stop teasing you. And at the end of the video, I'll tell you a bit about the surprise. Oh, one more thing. I did talk about it this week that I wanted to upgrade something. So if somebody guesses it, I'll definitely come out and say what it is if I see it in the comment section. If you can guess what the surprise is that I'm going to show tomorrow, I'll make a video and show you guys right away. Either way, the video is coming up tomorrow morning. So have fun guessing. This community, you guys, gave back to me so much for me to continue my research. I did the same thing. What do you think is the surprise new device that I went to get? Hey everyone, thanks so much for stopping by, checking out the research. Here, we're trying to get fine detail all the time on the surface of the moon, and it's crucial for us to be able to get the most resolution, the most definition, the most clarity, of course, clearest nights, high definition, like my telescope has high definition. Well, a big surprise coming, and I should be mentioning it tomorrow. Just want to be sure that everything is finalized, and I should be showing you the new powerful device that we got. Um, I actually went and made a bank loan this morning. You guys are going to be excited. Yeah, I'm a little crazy, I guess, for having done it, but it's everything or nothing. I'm going all out in this, and the upgrade is going to be incredible. We're going to see in the next video. You know what? I'm going to go make the video now. So by tomorrow morning, you guys will see the new device that I bought. I had to borrow a couple thousands of dollars to get this upgraded device. And it's going to be something incredible. Do you notice that I'm teasing you guys? The excitement, guys. Taste it. Start tasting it. And you guys, the community, I know it. You guys are going to be so ecstatic when you find out exactly what I got for the channel. It's going to help us get a lot of detail on the surface. That is 101% sure. And it's going to help us clarify the UFOs on the surface, the smaller ones that I'm trying to show you guys.